Have you ever wondered if your current job actually has a future? Maybe your pay grade just can't make ends meet, or your salary just doesn't seem to compensate for all the sleepless nights and caffeine that's in your body. Or do you think that in the next 5 years technology would start taking over your job? If you answered all the questions with a solid yes, then you're watching the right video. Hello Onawayers. Today, we're going to talk about the top 10 industries that can make you a millionaire. Get ready to sort your life decisions out because, after this video, you might decide to make the big move. Number 10. Entertainment and recreation. Okay, at least at one point in our lives, we've all dreamed of singing in front of a crowd, seeing ourselves in the big screen, or hearing our name chanted by a human sea. Yes, being in the showbiz industry is a dream. But it barely made it on our list. Just 15.2% of experts gave the thumbs up to this sector, perhaps because films, music, and video games are in a constant battle against piracy. It is also worth mentioning that the competition within the industry itself is a gamble. Your name might be remembered for the next lifetime or just a one-hit wonder. Still, the entertainment industry proves that it can make people uber rich in a day. Number 9. Renewable energy. Fossil fuels won't be around forever, thanks to the continuous demand and population growth. And the world is starting to wake up to this fact that society will eventually need a replacement, a more efficient, constantly replenished, and environment-friendly one. We know that renewable energy will soon be a primary need for each household, so, anyone who gets in the game now could one day be very rich. Number 8. Aerospace and Air Transportation. Humans have always loved traveling. We all have that wanderlust soul deep within us, and now with the internet, the more we see in virtual the more we want to feel in real life. We don't want to be stuck in the same neighborhood for the rest of our lives, don't we? We want to go out there and see things. So, air transportation and aerospace industries are always busy. Not just that. Think about the growth of shopping and buying online. Where do you think the opportunity could be? Yes, it's handling shipping packages. No, not just FedEx, UPS or DHL. There's Uber Eats. People like stuff being delivered to them as they are shopping more and more online. Yes, as much as we love going out, we also enjoy doing outdoor things at the comfort of our homes. This is a huge industry. You don't really have to be personally delivering stuff, or flying people in the air. Just by being able to provide service or product, like maybe using your computer skills in providing software to help these companies, to manage the inventory better, or the shipping handling better, you could easily start a multi-million-dollar business. Number 7. Education. With all the changes that are happening around the world, and at a really fast rate, people want to learn. And there's just millions of opportunities happening right now in front of us, to connect individuals, people, professionals, to 21st century skills and jobs. We have the traditional education system, but we also have alternative education like education outside of the school systems. The education sector is no doubt a big millionaire creator, and anyone who's had to pay university fees recently probably won't be too surprised. Number 6. Food. As long as the human race thrives, the food industry will never go away. Food is a primary need, and we need a more cost-effective, more efficient way to produce, to feed so many people. This is not just about fast foods and restaurants. There are also people who want healthier choices. Maybe invest in organic products, food supplements, or feature exotic cuisines from different cultures. There's a plate for everyone. So, testing your luck out in the food industry might just turn your life a complete 180 degrees. Number 5. Real estate and construction. Again, this industry will never go away as long as humans keep on surviving and reproducing. With the rampant explosion of the global population, more people need places to live, to sleep in, to play in, to entertain, and to go to shop. None of this will be catered without the real estate and construction industry. Number 4. Manufacturing. People will always need things, which means we constantly need to create and manufacture things. The truth is, there is still plenty of innovation to happen in the physical world across every industry. And it's not just about the actual manufacturing of goods. There's the support team, the marketing department, the design guys, and a whole lot of others that make this industry thrive. And with no doubt, the manufacturing businesses and startups are absolutely crushing it on every level. Number 3. Healthcare. The pharmaceutical industry will be a money maker as long as people are willing to spend a lot of money to live longer. Not only that, but you could invest in assisted living, senior homes, any products or services that'll help people to live a longer life, stay healthier, and support them from their failing health. Number 2. Technology. We want and need the world to function faster, more efficiently, and in an instant. Now, this is definitely beyond Google, Facebook, or Apple. We're talking about robotics, AI, automation, manufacturing technology products, or even providing technology as service. Manual labors will soon be taken over by technology. This means that there's billions and billions and billions of dollars worth of value that this industry will create in the near future. Number 1. Financial services. Down to our last spot, and the most money-making industry in the next decade or so is financial services. Well, this is pretty much obvious since the sector is all about money, management of money, money lending or management of assets, loan associations, banks, financial companies, insurance companies, brokerage and other institutions that deal with finances. You can make money just by managing, handling, and investing it. There's a lot of money in money. So, financial services are the best industry to get into if you want to make a lot of money, and are willing to work hard for it. Well, there you have it, folks. What do you think of our top 10 industries that can make you a millionaire? So, are you planning to switch careers? Or are you already working in one of these industries? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. This is your list specialists.